Hello again, class. Let's start off how we always do every day and count to 100. Get your marker or your pencil ready, and we're going to start our tally marks. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Nice job, everybody. Now let's count by fives. And do you remember why we need to learn to count by fives? Yes, to learn to tell time and to count money. So here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. We're going to count one more time, but I'm not going to point to each set. Are you ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Nice job, everybody. Go ahead and clear your board. The next thing we're going to do is count by tens all the way up to 100. And I'm going to go ahead and set my alarm. I'm going to do it on the board, and you do it on your board. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Remember, I'm not going to count them out loud. I'd like to see if you can do it all by yourself. But if you get stuck, you can look up at mine to help you remember. Because right now, we're not worried about getting everything right or getting everything wrong. We are just training your brain. That's what learning is. Lots of people make mistakes. Lots of people go faster. Lots of people go slower. And it doesn't matter. Everyone's goal is the same. Oh, I almost finished, but not quite. All right, let's go ahead and count by tens up to 100. I'm going to point to the numbers as we do. Don't forget to count out loud so it helps your brain remember, because your brain should see it, write it, hear it, say it. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's do it again, but I'm not going to point to the numbers. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Nice job, everybody. Go ahead and clear your board. Next thing we're going to do is count backward from 20 all the way to 0. This helps us with our subtraction. So we're going to start at 20. I want you to count backward from 20 to 0. I'm going to set my alarm for 30 seconds. Remember, if you don't get finished with it, that's okay. We're just training our brain. Here it goes. On your mark, get set, go. If you get stuck, you can look at my board and double check the number you got to do. And after a while, since we're practicing this every day, you're going to get a lot faster with this because your brain's going to be memorizing it. Your brain will be trained to do this. We do this because it helps us with our subtraction. Time's up. I also made a mistake. It doesn't go 8, 7, 8, it goes 6. There you go. So go ahead and finish up where you're at, and then we're going to count it. All right, let's count it out loud together. Here we go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Nice job. We're going to do that one more time without touching the numbers. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Nice job. Go ahead and clear your board. Now, I want to say congratulations because if you have followed along with all the other lessons, you already know how to put all of your dots on all the numbers. So the very first thing I'd like you to do is to go ahead and write out your numbers 1 to 9, just like I am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Now, what I'd like you to do is go ahead and start putting the touch points on all your numbers. I'm going to set my alarm for 30 seconds. On your mark, get set, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, not quite done, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nice job, everybody. I'd like you to go ahead and copy that one more time. So I want you to write your number and put all the dots on it. We're doing this because your brain is almost trained to remember all these dots. We're going to start noticing those when we start adding and subtracting some bigger numbers. Okay? Because you guys are doing so well. So go ahead and add all those on. And what we're doing here is just making sure that our hand and our brain remember where to touch when we add or subtract. And I don't know if you remember this, but the reason why we're learning this is because we don't want you to count on your fingers. To count on your fingers is not wrong, it's just a lot slower. And we want to make your adding and subtracting a little faster with the touch points. Okay? So go ahead and take a look at your paper. Do you feel fairly confident you remember how to touch everywhere? I think I do. So we're going to work on some adding. Go ahead and clear your board. We're going to work on 6 plus 8 equals. We're going to do 9 plus 9 equals. We're going to do 7 plus 9 equals. And 9 plus 8 equals. We're doing a lot of the bigger numbers because we're going to practice touching on those. Okay? So go ahead and finish up copying those down. And then I'm going to give you a minute to go ahead and solve those. Go. Keep going, you have about 30 seconds. And while you do that, I'm going to go ahead and start answering mine. Nice job. I'm on this one. Okay, so this first one I circled the 8. I did 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is my answer. On this one I circled 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 is my answer. On this one I circled the 9, and I'm counting 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Nice job. And here I'm going to circle my 9, 9. Remember, you don't just want to go to the outside, you want to go outside, inside. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Nice job. This is the most common mistake when you're adding by 8. I'm going to copy that problem again. This is a mistake that a lot of kids make. They circle the 9, they go 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. When you do that, you only touched 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to remember to touch on the inside 4 times 2. Okay? So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay? Nice job, everybody. Go ahead and clear your board. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do some subtraction. So I'm going to write down some problems, and I'd like you to go ahead and copy them down. And then I'm going to give you a minute to go ahead and solve them, just like we did before. You guys are doing so well. I appreciate how hard you work and how much you're paying attention. Okay, go ahead and copy down those problems. Do the best you can. And you're going to be counting backwards. Remember, you're counting down now. Okay? Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. You have a minute to go ahead and solve these problems, okay? I'm going to circle my big number. As you get finished with each one, you can go ahead and check your answer against mine. You guys are doing so well. Nice job. All right, I'm going to do this one right here. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Nice job. I think the biggest mistake that a lot of kids make when they subtract is they either start to count up instead of down, or they're unable to count backward because they don't have their numbers memorized 20 back to 0. That's why we practice this every day in class, because some kids who are joining us don't remember how to do that, so we'll keep practicing it. Go ahead and clear your board. The next thing I'd like you to do is I'm going to give you 3 different numbers. I'd like you to write the 3 numbers and then draw a picture for them and write them in expanded form. So we're going to do standard form, picture form, expanded form. Here we go. Your first number is 48. 48. Write the number 48. Your next number is 61. 61. 61. Your next number is 85. 85. Your next one is 85. Take a look at my board. Make sure you have the right numbers, and I'd like you to write them now in picture form and standard form. You have 30 seconds. On your mark, get set, go. Nice job. I did the first one already. We have 48. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 10 sticks, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. We say 48. So those are the numbers we write. 48. Here we go. This one, we have 61. 60 means we have 6 tens. Whoop, make that 10 a little bit. That 10 stick a little bigger, and then we have 1 1. We say 60, and we say 1. 61. Remember, expanded form writes the numbers that we say. This next one is 85. 85. This is the ones column. This is the tens column. We have 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We say 80. 85. 80 plus 5. Nice job, everybody. Go ahead and erase your board. The next thing we're going to do is going to do the next number. Okay? So everyone go ahead and write down this number right here. Can you say that number? Go ahead and read that number. That number says 45. What number comes after 45? 45, write the number. 46. Did you get it right? I hope so. Nice job. Let's do the next one. Can anyone read this number? Go ahead and read that number. Now, what number comes next? This number says 80. What's the number after 80 if we're counting? 80, 81. Nice job. What if I have the number right here? What number is that? Can you say that number? What number comes next? This number says 12. What number comes after 12? 12, 13. Oh, nice job. If you got that, give yourself a thumbs up. I'm so proud of how hard you guys are working. Here's our next one. Is everyone ready? This is our next number. Can you say this number out loud? Read that number for me, and then can you write the number that comes next? This number says 59. What number comes after 59? 59, 60. Yes, nice job. Go ahead and write that down. You guys did so great today. Go ahead and erase your board. And there's one thing more that I'm going to show you. What we're going to be starting in our next lesson is called 2-digit addition. And addition is this symbol right here where we count up when we add. Okay? We're going to start working on 2-digit addition. When we start adding now, we're going to write our problems up and down. You see this problem right here? This one is written horizontally. Horizontally means that we're writing it sideways. Vertically means that we're going to write it up and down. This is going to be the new way that we write everything. So we're going to write it up and down. Okay? And we're going to start seeing problems like this that get into bigger numbers. And I'm going to show you how to add that. Okay? Nice job, everybody. Thank you so much for all your attention today. You have a great day. Don't forget to do some of the extra work available, and I will see you next class.